one of these carts? Does yours do the same thing mine does? Loses a wheel? Well, let's show you how to fix that. Mine's been spray painted, which is why it has a funny color on it. Lay it down here. Out. Take it apart. Put this part down. Put this one on top. Lock it into place. Put your top on top of the new top spot. And assuming you have all 4 wheels, go ahead and put your wheels back in. And that's how it goes in. It's like you did when you bought it new. This one's been a couple of different colors, as you can tell. Spray paint works great for that. And I'm just pushing my wheels in, just like I did when it was new. If your hands aren't strong enough, use a hammer or get the friendly neighborhood man to do it for you. But I have new working wheels on it. Now I can put my drawers back in and use it again. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.